So before we proceed, there are some announcements to be done. Number one, please keep your phones on silent mode. Number two, do not stand as we have live cameras behind. Requesting everyone standing in the aisle to kindly settle down. I think we're good to go ahead. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. I can hear from only this side. Where is the energy, everyone? Come on, good morning. That's fantastic. On behalf of Gala Precision Engineering Limited, I'm your host, Mayuri Malankar, and it gives me immense pride and pleasure to be standing in front of you as the host of this event. Today, we are here to celebrate a special milestone in the remarkable journey of the company in their excellence, innovation, and growth. Today, we are here to celebrate the listing ceremony for Gala Precision Engineering Limited. So come on, everyone, let's begin this morning with a huge round of applause. I can see the happiness and the excitement on everyone's face. I would like to thank everyone for taking out time from your busy schedules and being a part of this celebration. So before we proceed, I'll request everyone to kindly rise for the national anthem.
शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Jai Hind. And today, ladies and gentlemen, we are honored to have various dignitaries. Let's extend a heartfelt welcome to them by presenting a lovely bouquet of flowers. I would like to begin with our Chairman and Managing Director of Gala Precision Engineering Limited. Please put your hands together, everyone, for Mr. Kirit Gala. A very, very warm welcome to you, sir. Next, let's welcome Mr. Rajendra Gogri, our Director. Warm welcome to you, sir. Please put your hands together, everyone, as I welcome Mr. Balakrishna Jalan, Whole-Time Director Operations. A very, very warm welcome to you, sir. Please join me as I welcome Mr. Satish Kotwani, Whole-Time Director, Marketing and Sales. Please join me as I welcome Mr. Smith Gala, Promoter. We can make some noise for all the dignitaries coming up on this stage. I can feel the energy that's hidden inside you. Let's welcome Mr. S. Giridhar, CFO. Warm welcome to you, sir. I would like to welcome Vice Chairperson and the Managing Director of Prabhudas Leeladhar Group, Ms. Amisha Vora. Let's welcome Mr. Uday Patil, Executive Director, Prabhudas Leeladhar Group. And it's time to welcome our host, ladies and gentlemen. Please put your hands together for Mr. Sunil Ram Rakyani, Chief Business Officer, BSE. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, allow me to take a moment to talk about the incredible company we are celebrating today, that is Gala Precision Engineering Limited. For over 3 decades, Gala has been a leader in precision engineering, delivering world-class products that meet the stringent demands of diverse industries. From renewable energy and mobility to industrial applications, their portfolio includes high-performance components like high-tensile fasteners, disc and strip, springs, coil and spiral springs, and wedge lock washers, all of which are manufactured to global standards, including the renowned Germany DIN standards. These products are not only known for their precision, but also for their ability to be customized and meet specific customer needs. Gala's reach is truly global, serving more than 175 esteemed customers across 25 plus countries, including major markets such as Germany, the USA, China, Brazil, and many more. Their office in Frankfurt, Germany, strategically supports their European clientele, showcasing the company's commitment to bring close to their customers and offering tailored solutions. With a deep understanding of material science, heat treatments, and surface engineering, Gala Precision Engineering has built a reputation for quality and innovation. The company continuously invests in automation and lean manufacturing practices to ensure high productivity and minimal errors. The dedication to operational excellence has allowed them to stay at the forefront of the precision engineering industry. On behalf of, ladies and gentlemen, everyone sitting here, once again I extend a heartfelt congratulations to the entire team of Gala Precision Engineering Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, it's a moment to celebrate. I will request everyone to once again give them a big hand. And let's move ahead. हमारी भारतीय संस्कृति के अनुसार हर शुभ काम की जो शुरुआत होती है वो हम दीप प्रज्वलन से करते हैं. I will request all our dignitaries on the dais to kindly step down for the lamp lighting ceremony. I will also request few ladies from our family members to join us for the lamp lighting, beginning with Mrs. Rumi Gala. May I request Naina Gala, Alpa Chera, Vaibhavi Mohan, and Anjali Kotwani also to join. दिए की जो ज्योत होती है वो हमेशा ऊपर की ओर उठती है. दिए का ये स्वभाव है. हमारे द्वारा शुरू किया हुआ काम इसी तरह अग्रसर हो. इस प्रार्थना के साथ, इस भावना के साथ हम दीप प्रज्वलन कर हर शुभ काम की शुरुआत करते हैं.
शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणं आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः. शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणं आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः. शत्रुबुद्धि विनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोस्तुते. दीपज्योतिर्नमोस्तुते. शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणं आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः. दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म. दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः. दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः.
Thank you, everyone. And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's my honor to invite Ms. Amisha Vora, Chairperson and Managing Director of Prabhudas Leeladhar Group, to deliver the opening speech. Let's welcome her with a big round of applause.
Good morning, everyone. And a special welcome to all the people on the dais who have worked day and night to make this a grand success. Be it part of Gala's team, be it part of PL's team, and not to forget, be it part of Concept's team, everybody has worked hand in hand. And the miracle which has happened beyond our imagination is that Gala is oversubscribed, Gala Engineering, 210 times. And that's the record oversubscription for any IPO in 24-25. This is the current year. In this is the highest grosser. And not to forget, since 2007, so it's almost 17, 18 years, this is the 8th largest oversubscribed IPO. And to most of you and all of you, I would like to say that what is that secret recipe for this kind of an oversubscription? Most of you would know that Prabhudas Leeladhar believes in trust, transparency, and integrity. So for sure, absolutely beyond hard work and focused work, there is nothing beyond this. And so also from Gala Engineering. So there are a few things which have really worked wonders. As a team, when PL and Gala met, I think first time, it took Kirit a little time to decide, but I think in my heart and his heart, we were sure that we are going to work together because our ideologies, our corporate governance standards, and our cultures meet. That's the place where we met. No doubt, it's a phenomenal company. At his scale, he is giving 27, 28% return on equity. Has been growing phenomenally and expected to grow equally well. What also made a difference to his broad-mindedness, his maturity, that we told him, let's keep something on the table for investors. And this is the Maha Mantra of success, that when you take investors as part of your family, that they should make money, that's when the magic starts unraveling. And I would just say, Kirit Bhai, and I know Kirit Bhai, Jalan Saab, Girdhar Bhai, and Satish Bhai, all of them, while meeting all the investors, have realized that one thing became absolutely common reply, that we like your company. We like your valuation. Nobody has said that I didn't like your company or I didn't like your valuation. Yes, at this juncture, few could not participate because the size of IPO is small. And as you know, mutual funds have grown pretty big. And all of them as a team have decided that we are going to grow so much that tomorrow, all these large mutual funds will also be our investors. And I wish them all the very best to achieve that success in future. And once again, absolute kudos to all the three teams who worked together to make it a great success. And heartfelt thank you to all the investors who paused their complete trust in both Gala management and Prabhudas Leeladhar Group. Thank you so very much.
Thank you, ma'am, for your kind words and the best wishes. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to invite the man of the moment, the visionary leader who exemplifies dedication and commitment. I know you must have guessed who I'm talking about. Please put your hands together for Mr. Gala, Chairman and Managing Director. Under his guidance, Gala has achieved new heights, and today is yet another feather in their cap. So, over to you.
Very, very warm welcome to all of you. These are emotional moments. I'm trying to be as much rational as possible. So basically, when people ask us, what is the source of secret? So, the first thing which comes to my mind is we love what we do. We sleep, we eat, we drink macarons. And second thing, so at the very beginning, we had set one slogan within the company: Indian intelligence, Chinese discipline, global markets. And we gathered the best talent in engineering. Though I'm an engineer, I hardly knew anything about engineering much in the shop floor, being on a strategy side, on a marketing side. But the culture we developed had the fundamental passion for excellence. I think that works. That is the key. So when, and then we came up with mantras like professional entrepreneurship. So, combining or say data-driven drives. So these are movements of Cherish where management theories were combined to the practical world to create value. And I think around this, we went on building the business models. We were really honored to have fabulous customer sets. For example, imagine number one in the world, who is the largest manufacturer of wind turbines, coming and telling us, you are doing springs for me for last 15 years and you are doing excellent. Please do fasteners which I am importing. So, so much of import substitution, so much of competing, and we loved competing with European companies. That really gave us so much kick that all the time we were on our toes, not to have any customer complaint, have complete excellence, and my complete team is here. So thank you very much, Jalan and Satish, first of all. Fabulous team, ladies and gentlemen. And so what were the turning movements? The first turning movement came when we were invested by a private equity. Vikram Nirula is here, a very close friend, and they invested and they taught us, that how to be rational, how to take emotions out, how to separate individuals from companies. And we went on, we gave them profitable exit. Then we went on with a lot of initiatives. And now what we are doing is, we are looking at sustainability as key area of our focus with precision engineering around. So I think that is going to be a contribution to the society, to the nation, and to the world. That's the vision we are looking at now. And ladies and gentlemen, some words of gratitude. First of all, big gratitude to my father, Mr. Vishanji Gala, who had set up the company along with my uncle, supported him, Mr. J.H. Gala. He is also here. Can you, Jandika ka, please, can you? Yeah. And also one Mr. Nanchan Shah, whose sons, whose second, third generation is also here. And, with this foundation, we went on building. We always thought not of incremental growth, but the geometric growth. We professionalized and we did whatever best we could do. I want to express my gratitude to my mother and my wife and my family, my complete family, my sisters, really fantastic. And most importantly, the partnership with Prabhudas Leela. She is, by the way, recently published, or she was on the front page of a business magazine as one of the most promising woman entrepreneur. And Amisha Ben being charismatic, once you meet her, you know that you want to work with her. So we did, and we are very glad about that, Amisha Ben. Similarly, our lawyers, Crawford Bailey, our other partners, and so many our auditors, they work day in and day out. I think last 3 months, I have seen my office running almost 16 to 18 hours a day, and someone or the other was always there. So fantastic achievement. We are now shouldered with a fabulous responsibility, and we are actually very excited that so much response from shareholder gives us so much confidence about what we are doing, in a focused way, in a way which contributes to the society, to nation, and our Kutchi community. To really thank you so much for your all support as well. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are really excited. Thank you very much for being here. This is a fantastic future. Let's all of us make this, India as a developed country before 2047. And I think it's very close. We are really, the entrepreneurship in India is so much burning. I've been meeting so many people around, and everybody is now not talking about incremental, but geometrical growth, and the things are looking tremendously positive. And thank you so much once again, thank you. One milestone I have to mention is, our success in getting Mr. Rajendra Gogri as an investor as well as on board. And Raju, you have been a fantastic driver. I think Ullas Bhai and Sunil Bhai are here. We were investing together as a Kutchi Angel Network in startups, and that built a fantastic bond between among four of us. And Rajendra Bhai, you won't believe, in looking at his size, I always thought कि इतनी छोटी company में क्या मतलब इतना interest लगेगा. But 1.5 hours of quarterly meeting is religiously there. And any phone call there, either he will reply immediately or call back. So thank you so much, Rajan. I'm really indebted. And to all of you, thank you so much.
Well, thank you so much, Mr. Gala. On behalf of everyone sitting here and watching this live, would like to wish you all the very best. And with this, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to hear from our host. I would like to invite Mr. Sunil Ram Rakhani, Chief Business Officer, BSE, to share his thoughts on this significant milestone. Can we have a round of applause for him?
Distinguished dignitaries and friends from the fraternity, good morning and a very warm welcome to all of you who are present at the BSE's iconic International Convention Center for the listing ceremony of the Gala Precision Engineering Limited. Though we got a long list of dignitaries on the dais, I will try to take all the names. On behalf of BSE, I would like to welcome the man of the moment, Shri Kirit Gala, Chairman and Managing Director, Gala Precision. Mrs. Amisha Vora, Chairperson and Managing Director, Prabhudas Leelada. Shri Uday Patil, Executive Director, Prabhudas Leelada Group. Shri Balakrishna Jalan, Whole-Time Director, Operations. Shri Satish Kotwani, Whole-Time Director, Marketing and Sales. Shri Smith Gala, Promoter. Shri Giridhar, CFO. Shri Rajendra Gogri, Director. I'm sure MC has already read the details about the Gala Precision, but I would like to I'd like to cover a few important points. As Mrs. Amisha Vora really said that 201 times. Is it 210 times I saw? What? 201 times. 201 times is the subscription, is a biggest feat for the current financial year at a 529 rupees per share, 167.92 crores raised. We are just going to list very soon. I'm not going to come on the way for long. Big achievements, highly precision. But the good to hear Mr. Gala was about the entrepreneurship, what he's trying to bring in the semi-entrepreneurship. I had one hat in the past, so I'm really new to BSE. Semi-entrepreneurship, I moved back to BSE to be a part of the turnaround team. So, but good part to hear is like say, vision to compete with the global companies, European companies. That's something has been really hallmark of the Mr. Gala to drive the company's vision to take to the new heights. With the global presence in 25 plus countries, with 175 plus customers, Gala has been achieving the new heights every year. So we welcome Gala Precision Engineering as a 149th listed company in the industrial product segment at BSE, which is a testament to our unwavering commitment to fostering innovation and entrepreneurship. BSE has always been committed to fostering a vibrant and inclusive ecosystem for business to thrive. We are proud to have played a role in the growth and success of numerous companies. Since you are sitting at a BSE, it's worthwhile to give you some background to BSE. This year we are completing 150th year. We already begun our 150th year celebration. So we are the oldest stock exchange in Asia, with a company listed with a more than 5.2 trillion US dollars. We are the only exchange in the world with the largest number of companies listed, which stands at this stage is 5,240. So in this international convention hall, we have witnessed the development of the Indian capital markets over several decades. First as a trading ring, I'm sure you must have seen much on the lot of web series. The exchange has successfully offered an efficient capital raising platform to all the companies in India. So the benchmark BSE Sensex, which is the oldest, Sensex 30 is the oldest index which is tracked by global investors since when the economy opened up in 1991. It is considered as the barometer for the growth of the Indian economy. BSE offers efficient, transparent for trading in equity, debt market, equity derivatives, which has been one of the recent success stories for BSE last 16 months. We have seen the turnaround of the BSE happening because of the derivatives market platform. BSE derivatives are now the second largest derivatives traded in the world in terms of number of contracts traded. BSE has more than 9.21 crores valid and active UCCs available for trading, which is the highest in India. We are confident that with the listing of its equity share on the BSE, Gala Precision Engineering Limited will not only be able to enhance its visibility, but also broaden its investor base to further deepen its line of business, adhering to strong governance and standards. BSE looks forward to being the preferred fundraising platform continually for company as it expands for the reach and its growing in its scale. I wish this esteemed entity all the very best and a successful listing. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for the valuable insights. And now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to present the special listing memento to the company on this momentous occasion. I will request our Chief Business Officer of BSE, Mr. Sunil Ram Rakhiani, to kindly come forward to present the listing memento to our promoters. May I request Mr. Kirit Gala, Chairman and Managing Director of Gala Precision Engineering Limited, to kindly receive the honor. So we have one more memento for you. It's for you only, sir. So we have one listing memento and one individual memento for all the people sitting on the dais. Next one goes to Mr. Satish Kotwani, Whole-Time Director, Marketing and Sales. Well, ladies and gentlemen, it's 9:58. We're just few minutes away from that golden moment. So I will request everyone on the dais to kindly start moving towards the gong. And we will continue with our memento presentation ceremony later, post bell ringing. I would also like to invite Mrs. Taramati Gala, Rumi Gala, Saloni Gala, Anubhuti Gandhi on the stage for the bell ringing ceremony. So you'll see the countdown on the screen over there. You all will join me for last 10 seconds. Everyone excited? Yes? So ladies and gentlemen, the moment we all have been eagerly waiting for is finally here. The countdown has begun. The iconic moment symbolizing Gala Precision Engineering Limited's official entry on BSE. 35 seconds to go. You all will join me for last 10 seconds. Do not stand. We have live cameras behind. I want you all to be louder. 25 seconds to go, everyone. "15 seconds to go. Let's get ready for the final countdown. Everyone together. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Congratulations. Heartiest congratulations. Congratulations to Gala Precision Engineering Limited on this remarkable achievement. Being listed on BSE is not just a milestone, but it is the beginning of an exciting new chapter. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, let's give them a big hand. Let's congratulate them on this big achievement. All the family members, friends, well-wishers, investors, everyone watching us live, sitting here with us, celebrating this moment. You all have been a part of this journey in some or the other way. We are grateful for your presence, for your support. Congratulations once again. We will continue with the photo session later. It's time. Thank you, everyone. Thanks a lot. We are confident that the company will continue to scale new heights and achieve even greater success in the years to come. Congratulations once again. And let's continue with our memento presentation. I will request Sunil ji to kindly be there near the gong to present the mementos. May I request Mr. Balakrishna Jalan, Whole-Time Director Operations, to come forward. Let's have a round of applause, everyone. We present the next memento to Mr. Rajendra Gogri, Director. Next one goes to Mr. S. Girdhar, CFO. Next one goes to Mrs. Amisha Vora, Vice Chairperson and Managing Director of Prabhudas Leeladhar Group. Next one goes to Mr. Uday Patil, Executive Director, Prabhudas Leeladhar Group. And now we will present the mementos on behalf of company to our BSE and partner. I will once again request Mr. Gala to come forward to present the same. We present our first memento to BSE. I will request Mr. Sunil Ramrakhyani to kindly receive the honor. Next memento goes to Prabhudas Leeladhar Group. I will request Mrs. Amisha Vora and Mr. Uday Patil to come forward. Next memento goes to Concept Communication Limited. Let's give the entire team a big hand, everyone. Well, these are the beautiful memories to be cherished for a lifetime. Congratulations to the entire team. Next memento goes to Concept Communication Limited. Let's have a round of applause, everyone. Next one goes to our auditors, Nessim LLP. Anyone from Nessim LLP? Please join me as I welcome our lawyers on the stage, Crawford Belly. Next memento goes to our registrar to the issue, link in time. Next goes to our printer Orient. Any representative? Okay, thank you. We would also like to thank Mr. Dharmesh Zaveri, practicing company secretary. He's not present here, but we'd like to thank him for all the efforts and support. With this, ladies and gentlemen, we come close to the climax of this listing ceremony. To present the vote of thanks, I would like to invite Mr. Uday Patil, Executive Director of Prabhudas Leeladhar Group. Can we have a round of applause for him?
What a moment. One of the very, very important event in the life of the company. And I have been given the task of saying thanks to everybody. Where to start? Definitely we'll start with the Almighty, the God the Almighty who has brought all of us here to meet at an iconic place to celebrate the most important event in the life of the company. Thank God. And with that, I will now try to cover most of the people who are there. As Galaji and ma'am had said, people have worked relentlessly over past few months, day and night, as he said, no lunch or a working lunch, but whatever. And it was a really great, great effort from all of us, and particularly from the company and the other partners, that made us to sit here to celebrate this momentous occasion. I would try to cover most of them. If at all somebody is left, kindly forgive me. First and foremost, the Gala team. The precision with which they work is seen from their way of handling things. We have been coordinating with them for so many years, so many months, and we have seen that the way they respond to everything is absolutely precision, and that is the way the company has grown and come to this level of getting a coveted listing status. Created by Gala, second generation, Smith Gala, third generation, another very energetic person. Jalanji, again day and night unhone to, he is always there on this. Giridhar ji, Kotwani ji, Pooja, the company secretary, she also has burned the midnight oil. Ganesh Tavde and the entire team who is here from Chennai plant also people have come. And I'm really thankful to all of you to give us an opportunity to be there with you. The second is Crawford Bailey team, Viplav, Pooja is here, Dhruv was there. They also worked very closely for completing the time, documentation, everything in time. Then Link in Time team, actually I have to say that this is really tremendous. 38 lakh application forms or the bids were received for this offer. And for a registrar also to get to work, though everything is online, it's not at all a simple task. It is a very, very Herculean task. People have done relentlessly, and within T+2, we have got listing permission. Thanks a lot to our Link in Time team, Harish, Hinduja, Dhawal, who is here, Sanjeev, Ashish, and many more people who are there who worked for this. Then the next, the very important, the concept team. They were all here. Sanjay ji is here, Anuprita, Pallavi. The way they used to respond, Shahab, Lalit, Ameya, Yogesh, Ankit, kitne naam lo. Everybody was there for whatever way we want to do things or make a publication. They were always there. Orient Press, again, nobody is here, but Ravi and even Prakash Maheshwari ji, he called me personally that we'll look into it, that nothing gets missed out of the distribution. And of course, the Bombay Stock Exchange, one of the most iconic place here. 150 years is getting completed. And we are also very proud to say that we are part of a Prabhudas Leeladhar group, which is also a 80-year-old organization. And we very recently celebrated our 80th anniversary. So that gives really great pleasure to be here. So Sundar Ramamurthy Sahib, I requested him to be here for this event, but unfortunately he was traveling, so he said, I would have loved to be there in this ceremony, but he couldn't come. But of course, Ramarekhyani sir is there, then Prasad Bhide and other people who are there, and of course our own Radha ma'am is here. She is also there in BSE, and we are very happy that she is there from the other side. And I'm thankful to all of you. One Lattice team who gave the report, industry report. Then, of course, statutory auditors, he was here. Again, statutory auditors play a very, very important role, and we were very happy that they were always available and rose to occasion whenever there was a requirement. And, of course, investors. So 38 lakh of them actually bidded. A lot of anchor investors, thanks to Kenin and other team members. QIB's HNI's retail, the number of times subscription is tremendous. So we must not forget the investors because they are the part of our family and they all have now become our family members. So the investors are the owners to the extent of their holding, but they are also part of our journey, and we are very, very thankful to the investors. Again, a sponsor bank, HDFC Bank was the sponsor bank who also did a tremendous job, because I think there was a lot of pressure on them because of the number of bids and the number of banks who participated in ASBA, and it was very difficult for them also. They, in fact, expressed to us that it is becoming very difficult. We were actually telling that we should have 2 banks, but they never expected that this kind of a response could come, thanks to the great PL team's work and, of course, the company team. And last but not the least, Prabhudas Leeladhar Group. My God, what a tremendous kind of response is there from all the team members of the Prabhudas Leeladhar. I would try to take everybody's name, of course, led by Amisha ji, one of the very sought after woman entrepreneur and very well-known entrepreneur in the field of broking. And we are really thankful to have her at our Home of Affairs. Then my team who was there, Nipun was there, who also brought in some of the QIB investors. Radha ma'am used to be there earlier, but now she's on the other side. Vinci, Akanksha, Ashwin, Anjali, Gauri, Rajesh Bhai, and even all these people have contributed so much during the last hours of the issue that there is no words to express my gratitude to them. They really lived up to the expectations. Thank you, team. I am very happy for you. Kenin, Tilakraj, Rajesh Jogle, Nilesh Shinde, another person who is a very key person for the retail marketing. All of them, they really did a very, very tremendous effort. And what not, sub-syndicate members, the other syndicate members, and everybody who was actually there with us for this transaction. I am really, really grateful to all of them, and I am thankful to all of them. If at all I would have missed, I am really sorry if at all I have missed somebody. Dara Kalyaniwala, yes, of course, that is one of the very, because this is the transaction which began with Dara Kalyaniwala, who was there with us as an executive director, and he is the person who handled the company in such a great way that they brought them to the level of filing of the offer document, the kind of diligence. They have spent almost a month's time at the company's place to be prepared for the documentation and the diligence, which is a great achievement. And today I am very happy that he is here. So उन्होंने नींव लगाई और मैंने थोड़ा सा उसके ऊपर ये किया. So I am really grateful to you, Dara. I am very thankful to you. And with this, I think I will take leave. Amit Nanwani, I said. Amit is here. A lot of people are there. Our team members are here. Kenin is also here. And really, thankful Modi ji, his team, Meet is there, Meet Sangoi was there. So it was all in all a great effort, and it's not that the only market is good, so response is good. I can see that the kind of effort which the company and the merchant bankers put in this particular transaction is tremendous. With a little bit gray hair, I have also seen a lot of transactions in the IPO market, but this is one of the very, very good and memorable transactions for me also as a merchant banker, and as PL, we are also extremely, extremely happy and thankful to all of you to be here and be present for this momentous occasion. And I wish company the best of luck. And I also feel that company will definitely live up to the expectations of the investors and will do a wonderful job as we times to go. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Mr. Patil, for your kind and appreciating words. I think everyone sitting here has done a tremendous job. Let's give them a round of applause once again. And congratulations to the entire Gala team. With this, ladies and gentlemen, we conclude our listing ceremony here. Anchor Mayuri Malankar signing off, requesting you all to join us for refreshments. You can take the exit from left-hand side of the stage. And now the stage is open for the photos. Thank you.